There are many plants that we keep indoors in our homes or offices, and these are called indoor plants. These plants do not need much space to grow. You can keep them inside your cupboard, drawer, bathroom, kitchen, or any other place where there is little light and space. Some of these plants are very easy to grow and others are more difficult to grow. So, here we have included the top 20 best plants that grow in shallow containers. The best plants that grow in shallow containers. Aloe plant. The aloe plant is one of the easiest plants to grow. It requires only a little space and you can keep this plant inside your office. Bromeliad. These are also known as pineapple plants. They are easy to grow and they do not require a lot of space. Cactus plant. This is a good choice for your office desk. You can keep this plant inside your office and you will get fresh oxygen every day. This is a very easy plant to grow and it does not require much space. Fern. This is a very attractive fern that can be kept in any room. It is very easy to maintain. Flame violet. This is a nice choice for your office desk because it has a beautiful shape. This plant does not require much space. Grapevine. This is a very easy plant to grow. It can be kept inside or outside. Hawthorn plant. This is also known as the hawthorn tree. It is very popular and it is used in many different decorations. Lavender plant. The lavender plant is one of the easiest plants to grow. It requires only a little space and you can keep this plant inside your office. Snake plant. Snake plants are very easy to grow and they need only water. They look great when kept inside your kitchen. Petunias. These flowers are easy to grow and they require minimum space. Petunias are good for indoor gardening. Pinstripe plants. Pinstripe plants are one of the easiest indoor plants to grow. These plants are very attractive and they are easy to grow. You can find them in many different varieties. Pothos plant. These plants are also called epiphytes. They can be found all over the world. It is easy to grow and it does not need a lot of care. Prayer plant. Prayer plants are easy to grow. You can get them at any garden center. They have a variety of colors. They can be used as decorative plants. Roses. Roses are not so easy to grow, but with little effort, you can get a nice looking rose garden. Roses are good for indoor gardening. Roseum plant. This is a very easy plant to grow and it can be kept inside a small pot. It requires some water and sunlight. Spider plant. This is one of the easiest plants to grow and it can be kept indoors. It grows well with minimum sunlight and water. Strelitzia. These are some of the easiest indoor plants to grow. They are also called Strelitzia reginae. They have small leaves that look like lilies. Tillandsia. Tillandsia is also known as air plants. It is very easy to grow and it does not need much water. Vernonia Plant. These plants are easy to grow and they have a nice shape. They are one of the easiest indoor plants to grow. Zinnias. Zinnias are very easy to grow and they require little space. Zinnias are good for indoor gardening. Conclusion. This list of the best plants that grow in shallow containers is a long one in that you can choose your favorite plants. All these plants are some of the most popular and well-known plants. The process of how to grow plants in shallow containers is pretty simple. Just choose your plan and container and you are on your way to gardening your plants. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.